Okay, so the final operating report that we're going to look at that we create is going to be the monthly year-over-year report, which basically is done at the brand level. So there'll be a separate analysis for each brand. Starts with basically the monthly sales performance, kind of this year versus previous period. So you can see here, this was 2020 on a monthly basis, the total for this brand. And then here's how we're running basically year to date here on this column. And then basically the same thing will exist for every product. So this will be an actual SKU that you make, but basically here's this product, same period in both years. But how that's all kind of entered is basically into one specific data sheet that's used here, and we pull those reports from Amazon, and then basically the analysis will run and fill in each one of these tabs that you create for each product, and then it will also fill out the summary. So this one's super simple to fill out. You basically go to the business reports, and then you just go to the detailed page and sales traffic, and then you're literally just going to select each month of each of those different periods and years. So obviously if you're doing this for the first time, you've got to go catch up on all of last year, January through December, and then literally you just do this 1 month at a time, plug that in, and it's a pretty straight shot process. And then it's the same thing for ad spend, as we try to kind of continue to build up that ad spend over time. So we'll basically pull the monthly ad spend. Again, if you don't have that for previous years, I think it only goes back like 60 days. So you just have to kind of start saving this up for future years. So you might have to wait before that becomes super valuable. But that's basically it. We pull this for each brand, suck it in there in addition to the ad spend. Then we basically get this spit out for every single product, and then we get the summary detail, which is really good in concert with that financial review. So I can look at the actual income statement from the bookkeeper, kind of see what's happening there, percentages across different line items. And then this gives me another view, especially at the SKU level, where I can really see what's happening with various SKUs and what the trend lines look like. So that's it for the monthly reports. Hopefully there's some valuable stuff. Again, we'll try to automate this as much as possible and provide templates as soon as possible should you want to do this in your own business. I think it's obviously best to execute this with a team. If I was doing this myself on a daily, weekly, monthly basis, might be easier for me just to go in manually, frankly, into either Sellerize software, Helium 10, and or even your actual business account and just kind of see stuff. But this view definitely gives you much more digestible, actionable chunks. And if someone's actually creating it for you, especially in that email format, which a lot of these come in, it's a fantastic kind of dashboard to have as the leader of your Amazon brands.